Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 2. Resource pack page number 15 and 16. The topic is subtraction and word problem. Now look at your book. Resource pack page number 15. Write your name and the date. The topic is subtraction word problem. Question number 1. Zara needs $400. She already has $201. How many more dollars does she need? Now simply you have to subtract 201 from $400. Always remember kid, when you write the question of subtraction and addition, be careful to writing the place value of the question: 100, tens and ones. Now 400 we will write like that. I'm making a line to clear that it's not a 0, it's a O of ones. You can also write U here for the unit. Now $201. We will write here the symbol of dollar. Now we will subtract it. 0 can't subtract 1, so we will take a carry from the 0. 0 has no value, so we will take a 1 from here. The 3 left, it will become 10. So we will give 1 to this 0, it will remain 9. From 10 we will subtract 1, the answer will be 9. 9 subtract 0, the answer is 9. 3 subtract 2, the answer is 1. So she needs $199. Now question number 2. A computer costs $700 if you pay with $999. How much change will you get back? Now you have to subtract 700 from 999. 999 and we will subtract 700. 9 subtract 0 is equal to 9. Again 9. We will subtract 7 from 9. The answer is 2. So the answer is $299. Or you can. Uzma has 354 pens. How many pens more are needed to make a total of 500 pens? So subtract 354 from 500. Again we can't subtract 4 from 0, so we will take a carry from here. It will take carry from here. 4, 9 and then it will 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 146 pence. Now kids, on the other page, page number 16, write your name and the date. The topic is subtraction. Now simply subtract 6 from 7. The answer is 1. 3 from 5. The answer is 2. 1 from 5. The answer is 4. Same here. Now you have to do all this worksheet on your resource. Now look at here. There is all the answers of the questions. You can match